Hey Rockstars, it's your girl Beth. Today I want to tell you about a really cool product. Check this out.
Vocalese. I sing. I have friends that sing. Years of working and performing smoky bars and clubs have left hell on my throat. That's why I use Vocalese. Vocalese was created for vocalists who are constantly straining their voice, but the show must go on. It's been made readily available now in limited handmade batches. I personally love Vocalese because I tend to get gigs on consecutive nights, like a Thursday, Friday, Saturday night, and it's super tough to get through those last couple sets. Vocalese also allows me to continue to sing my heart out and hit the hard notes consistently. Whether you're singing in church choir on Sunday, or whether you're singing gigs on the Friday, Saturday nights in the smoky bars, Vocalese is for you. Give it a try. Click on the link below and check it out.
This channel will showcase some really cool health, fitness, fashion, and beauty products. Like this.
Check it out. There's a link in the description below.
Please take a moment, check out our videos, and subscribe for new videos coming out all the time.
Hey, why don't you subscribe to my channel? Thank you.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe for new videos every week and comment below with suggestions for new video topics.